Hey, good evening, guys. What is up? It's Karan this side, and you're watching the Coffee Addict Trader. Gold is looking interesting. We're getting some good rejection from this level, which is actually a level of around like golden ratio 61.8. So it's possible that we're gonna see some good moves from this level. At the same time, the FOMC is coming within 2 hours. We still have 52 minutes left for for this candle to close. And I just want to see that either we can validate this long setup using higher time frame perspective or not. So let's start from the monthly time frame. Okay, in monthly time frame, obviously we're stuck inside the previous monthly range. We still have 1 day, 6 or 5 hour left for the monthly candle to close. If the monthly candle close like this, in that case, uh, with the next monthly open, our target will be the previous monthly low. But as there is still like 1 day left for the monthly candle to close, and the FOMC is also going to come, if the volatility increase, there is a possibility that this monthly candle is going to close as a bullish one or a indecisive or like a dozy candle. At the same time, it's also possible that we're going to close more downside. So we can bet that a volatility may come in the market before the candle close. This is the main point in monthly perspective. In weekly perspective, I can see that price is bouncing above this level. We're already above 50 MA and there's a possibility of continuation towards upside. If not all the way towards the all-time high, then at least towards this highs. Okay. Uh, if we drop off Fibonacci on this impulsive move, then we are bouncing above 78.6, and right now I can see we are respecting the level of 61.8 if we drop off Fibonacci on this impulsive move. Okay, overall things are lining up for a long setup till now. Let's see what's going on in daily perspective. We just swept below the previous daily low and we can see some really good rejection from this level, and if we just extend this level this side, I can spot a flip at around this level. So this is a multi confluence zone, a high probability zone from where we can actually look for longs. We already swept below this lows, this short-term sell side liquidities. So the liquidities are there. We already cleared some major liquidities, and we're into a really interesting zone, which is also a flip. And if we just drop off Fibonacci on this last impulsive move, then we are standing at around 61.8, and we're trying to reject above it. So it's possible that we're going to see some good move towards upside from this level, if not all the way higher to this, then at least some decently upside move towards maybe the 50 EMA. And if we drop a Fibonacci on this Brico structure downside, then it's possible that we're going to see a move at least at 38.2 from this level, from the current levels. So if the FOMC statement turn out bullish for bearish for Dixie, in that case it's possible that we're going to see some good upside move in gold. So yeah, with that in mind, it looks like a really good setup overall, and I think it worth taking the risk. So yeah, that's it from my side, and see you soon on the next session, guys. Have a great day. I'm just looking for this move in gold, and I'm gonna target for this highs, this short-term buy side liquidities over here, or at least a move. If price managed to move like this, in that case, I will trail my stop loss at break even. There is no doubt on that. So yeah, that's it from my side, and see you soon on the next session, guys. Have a great day and trade safe. Okay. Okay, one really important point I want to cover here. uh, I have seen like many traders got stuck into this loop of like, I got some message from traders recently that there are two types of trader, pata hai? Like, there are two types of gambler, I will say. The number one is people who take a trade, and when the price start going against them, they don't know where to exit. Okay, they put a initial stop loss and they keep trailing stop loss or just remove the stop loss, hoping that maybe one day it will turn into green in their favor. But this is definitely a formula for blow up. Okay. There are another type of traders who go into Like after a few loss, they just straight away go into lower time frames and start punching higher uh, orders, like orders with huge leverage. And I was there once upon a time, and I can feel their pain, how why they think that this is gonna save you. But believe me, top pickers and bottom pickers are soon gonna become cotton pickers. So this is not gonna work for you. And there are other types of traders who like believe that they can make consistent money with news trading. Believe me, bro, it's not gonna work in long time. Okay, it's not gonna work in long term. um, if you are making money in news trading, like in consecutive 4 times, believe me, you are very lucky. Okay, news trading is just pure luck. Okay, I always try to hedge my positions before news trading. Like look at this, what I'm doing. I'm already short on Euro USD, but still I'm trying to go long in a ABC USD pair. Okay, I already got stopped out, like hedging by hedging my position here, but I'm still thinking about shorting it again, so that I can hedge my position and just like I just always want to stay open to all the scenarios. Okay, you just when you trade now, you have to trade the probabilities, not the markets. Okay, you just need to be open to all the possible probabilities. And one really important thing I want to suggest is that uh, know where your trade is gonna be invalid. For me here, if I'm gonna go long over here, I know if the price is gonna go below this level, then this is gonna get invalid to me. If I get stopped out, then it's completely fine. I decided to take this trade knowing that this is my invalidation point, and if price go below this, I'm done. Even like if price hit my stop loss and then after that start giving me rejection, in that case I will like revalidate that setup. But I never trail stop loss or remove stop loss from my setups. Okay. And yeah, I hope this is helpful for you. So see you soon on the next session, guys.